update. I was able to wire up the radio. I sanded down the dashboard, which is good, and I got the plastic one on. Now I'm just waiting on the little dash plate, or whatever it's called, to dry up. It dried for like about 4 hours or 5 hours. And then we got the energy racing wheel, or energy steering wheel, whatever you want to call it. The universal one that I got didn't work. It kind of like was too small, or had a very short distance between the blinker rod and the steering wheel. Those are the speakers. I also plan on doing tweeters under here. That's gonna look really cool. I gotta grind off this ugly metal. This was like a big ding, gone. Create some sandable, fillable sandable primer. There was a little bit of a ding here. I put some finishing putty there. You guys remember that big ass hole? Still need sand. There are a lot of dings in the paint. Sprayed some of that fucking primer. Kenwood radio. You have to find a way to mount it. I cut the front out, not the cleanest cut, but I'll sand it off. I use a filer. But what I did was I used some fuel line, and then I drilled a hole here and over here. As you can see, and I just screwed it in. Makes it very tight. Make sure you put some Loctite on here, and it won't move. This will hold the radio and keep it from moving. Really cool, really nice.